There we go. Well, that's lame. Anyway. All right. So back to what we're doing here. Okay. So I have the save button, the field. And we're not showing the data because I don't think I set up the controller yet. Go edit. There we go. Now let's set up our update. So to do equals to do dot find params ID, and then we'll go to do dot update with our to do params, and we'll need to create that private def to do params, and we will want to params dot require our to do, and we will permit title. What else do we got here? Schema. Okay, so we have a title created by ID, due date, and status. Created by ID, status, and our due day. Due day. So now we should be able to update this. So live streams, let's see what happened here. Update, live streams. Okay. And then let's just go like this, render show. All right, so I just reloaded. Let's go back. So it did update it. Let's go here. So see, we've just navigated into the edit, but it actually didn't load the whole page. It just replaces that turbo frame that the edit link was in. So it doesn't reload everything else, just that one frame. And now I can go edit again, and now this should reload or take us back to our show, and it does. I edited it, and this is why I just love turbo frames. So simple. Okay, so that's our to-do title. Let's set up our due day field. Now, obviously, I don't want it to be that big. So let's go BG. Let's go BG white, and we'll go rounded, XL, shadow. I think I kind of want to make some almost like a table here. So let's go to class border slate. Let's go like 100. Let's add some padding. Trying to think, what do I want this to look like here? Let's go like this, div. We'll call this due day. A little better, a little lighter though would be good, I think. Uppercase, maybe. Nah. All right, and format this date. Actually, I think, did I create that friendly date? I think friendly date was under the day. I don't think we have a friendly date under our to-do yet. No. Let's go to our day and grab that. Change this to due day. Due day. Due day. Due day. Do day. Friendly date. Get rid of this. Let's call it friendly due day. Let's make this not so wide. Okay, so now let's grab this, head over to our edit view, plunk it in there. And when I click this, nothing should happen. Good. Because it's the same frame. If I go like this, okay. So, same idea. Grab this. Same idea, but let's, yeah. So add in a text field here, form text. No, it's a date field. Date field, and our attribute is due day. Due the day. And let's grab our button. Okay, let's see what happens. Not quite. Not quite. Not quite. And so we can actually still do this too, because this is our fallback. If the user's browser does not have JavaScript enabled or whatever, so some kind of error, you can fall back to just loading the edit view. Now, obviously, you want to make this look nicer and presentable in case it is loaded. So we can do that. And that's not how I would want this to look anyway. So I should go back and change that anyway. Oh, I don't think the music is working on the stream. There we go. Shoot. Would have been so much silence. All right, so that's working. Let's see if it saves. It does. What's today? Today is the 29th. So, again, the app is in UTC time. I need to change that. I mean, well, actually would want to have it so that it recognizes the user's time zone, or the user sets their time zone. For now. So let's go set Rails set application time zone. Yes, I definitely want active record to use UTC. I do not want to use local time. So let's go. I believe I can do this here. So I don't want this going into production. Central time. Rubocop wants the double. Let's give Rubocop what it wants. Let's restart the server. There we go. Today is now today. If we go to tomorrow, tomorrow is tomorrow. If we go to the day after tomorrow, we get the date. Let's go back to today. Probably want to change, let's do it right now. Let's change this button size. Too small. Go to do edit. Let's go text XL. Did I save that? Okay, that's better. Let's go even bigger. Let's go like 3XL. Oh, well, now it's making the box way too big. Okay, well, first off, let's clean this up a bit here. Go edit, and I want to go border transparent for now. Or we'll go maybe border slate 400, and then let's just kill the padding inside here. I'm just going to load the edit page so I don't have to click this every time. Okay. I think a nice, like, so I don't want to completely get rid of the input area by removing the border, but I don't like the border at all. So let's do something different here. Let's go BG slate 200. We go, well, let's see what the padding, the default padding is like. Way too big. Go P1, PX2 maybe. It's too dark. Let's go with 100. Let's get rid of that border now. So we'll go border. I want this to go full width. I don't want this here. I want it there. And go flex. Let's go grow. Add a gap, maybe 2. Okay, it's better. Like that. Okay, I'm good with that. So let's go back here. Let's see what that looks like. Kind of would like that to not move around, but it's, you know what, we can tinker with that. Let's make this our app color of textile 500. There we go. So let's do the same with that title field. Why does that not want to grow? There we go. Let's grab our... Let's get rid of this. Don't need that, I don't think. Well, let's grab our field coloring. Throw it in here. Nope. It's the same background color. So let's go white for this one. Might need a border on this one because it's pretty similar color. Let's round that border too. Rounded. And I kind of want the font in the edit field to be the same as it is when you're viewing it, which is massive. That's okay. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but we can always adjust later. How do I get it so that it just does that to start and then only expands if it needs to? Let's ask AI. AI. New chat with our programmer. Okay, so how can I make this text area field to be one single line height by default and only increase if there is content to fill it? Really? I have to add CSS to this? Oh, I didn't specify I'm using Tailwind. I'm using Tailwind. I should have specified that I'm using Tailwind. Oh, we have to actually... I knew that. I did that in my last app. I don't want to do this yet. I really don't care about it at this point. I don't want to bother with the JS yet. Let's just set it. Let's just set it to one line for now and not worry about auto expanding. Thank you. Good stuff. Our due day. I think I'm okay with how that looks. Trying to think what other fields we'll have in here. So there's going to be a description field. Let's add that. What time is it? How long are we going to go on here? So we're at an hour. You know what? I think I'm going to call it a stream for now. Basically, I want to add a description field, and there's no column for that, and that's intentional because I'm going to use action text for that. So we'll install action text. We'll use the tricks editor so that we can do some rich text. And we'll get the description added to our to-do model. And get that in, get those added into these views. All right, well, yeah, we're good. Okay, well, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna call this stream.